Champion has 3 igniter options for the CFM56 engine. One is a standard life, we have a long life, and we have an extended life option. The Champion igniters for the CFM56 engine offer a longer life than the OEM suggested igniter. For example, the standard life offers 1,600 engine cycles before replacement, while the OEM igniter is recommended to replace every 1,000 hours. We have a long life that's good up to 2,400 cycles, and we have an extended life that's over 2,500 cycles. The difference in our igniters are our patented igniter tip designs. We use ground pins in a way that it reduces spark erosion and minimizes pin liberation. And our standard life and low-cost igniter removes ground pins altogether, which also removes the possibility of any sort of pin liberation compared to the suggested igniter. We've recently done a study on igniters that were received by Champion from an operator. We found that roughly 40% of the igniters showed one missing electrode, and a smaller subset of those igniters showed significant wear of the igniter tip. Champion has sent out at least 300,000 igniters for this engine and has received no feedback that we've had pin liberations in this product. Champion is the leader for long life ignition systems for the CFM56 program.